If you use WhatsApp a lot for business, for talking to customers, sending updates, reminders, or bulk messages, a tool like WizTool that can help you to automate and scale that work. WizTool aims to be a simple one-time purchase toolkit that turns your WhatsApp number into a full business messaging hub. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover the tools that save time, organize tasks, and keep communication smooth. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the Wiz tools at its lifetime deal. By using that link, you can get some discount and the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's explore what Wiz tool does, how it works, and when it could be a good idea to use it. WizTool is a business messaging automation platform built around WhatsApp. Instead of sending messages one by one manually, you can upload a contact list via the Excel or CSV or use an API. Then WizTool sends messages automatically. That means order confirmation, the reminders, promotional messages, notifications, all can be sent in bulk or scheduled, and it saves you a lot of time. One of the biggest advantage is that you don't need to through the official or the complicated business API approval. Instead, setup is simple. You can scan a QR code just like using the WhatsApp web to link your phone number and you are ready to go. That removes a major barrier for many small businesses or freelancers. You also get the flexibility with WizTool. You can send the text, images, files, and on higher plans, even the media like videos or audio. You can schedule the messages, set reminders for appointments, payments, or follow ups, and automate the repetitive workflows. That makes it useful not just for the promos but for the customer support and also the order updates or any recurring message needs. For business with many clients, shop, agencies, freelancers, this kind of automation often reduces the manual work drastically. Instead of spending hours to messaging each client, you do it in a few clicks. Let's talk about some real world use cases. Sending order confirmation after purchase, reminding clients about the due payments, announcing promotions to customer list, or sending the broadcast updates after service charges. Because WizTool offers a lifetime deal through AppSumo, this option can be a cost effective. The cost structure can be very attractive also. You pay once rather than the monthly subscription and get the long term access, which can save you money if you use the WhatsApp messaging regularly over many months or years. That said, like all tools, WizTool has the important trade offs and things to watch out for. First, it uses the personal or the business WhatsApp number via the QR login rather than an official business API. That means there is a risk. If you send too many messages too quickly or spam the uninterested people, your number might get flagged or blocked by WhatsApp. Second, some users report the occasional delays in delivery or issues with the message limits, especially if you send a very high volume. Also, media support like video or audio or the advanced features, these may require higher tier of plans. So if you start with the lowest plan, you get more basic functionality. Third, since WizTool is not an official WhatsApp API provider and not also the incoming message automation, as example reading replies automatically via API, then it might be limited or require the extra fees. That means two-way communication is more manual or partial compared with a full enterprise solution. If you value the simplicity, cost effectiveness, and you don't mind to limitations or risk of the non-official API approach, then WizTool is worth to trying. But if your business depends on high volume or highly reliable messaging, especially two-way conversation, support, or deliverability guarantee, then you may want to consider the official API providers or more robust solutions. So that's it basically. Now I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, then please subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel, and don't forget to use the link from description to grab the WBizTool at its lifetime deal before it ends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.